Well, for my first practical project with my mini lathe, I wanted to solve this problem. You notice the arrows there. Those are the screws that tighten up the gibs, but they're positioned so that I have to take the rear stock off to get to them with my short little screwdriver that I have. So my project is to take one of the pieces of rebar that I turned smooth, cut this little shorty screwdriver in two. I like this too because you can interchange the bits on it. So I'll cut it right there and weld that piece of turned rebar in between the tip and the handle. And then I'll have something that will reach back to those screws without having to take off the tailstock. I did some measurements, thinking I was going to turn down the bar stock to the exact size, but since I'm welding it together, it really doesn't make a lot of difference. It's just a cosmetic thing. So I'm ignoring the measurements I just took. And then I step out to my welder, and that's what I come up with. It's not absolutely straight, but it's certainly straight enough for a screwdriver. And you can see here, I'm actually reaching in and tightening up the gib screw. So yay! If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. I appreciate it. If you like a particular video, hit like. And if you want to be notified when new ones come out, hit notify. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Charge.